Hey guys, I hope you have an amazing day and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create a little Nemo body paint. Have fun while watching, it's not that hard. But so, let's go with the video. First draw some sketch lines of a fish with a white pencil and outline these with a darker color. Then fill some parts of Nemo with an orange and white body paint color. Now paint the pupils and the mouth and outline all black. Of course, Nemo is a fish, so let's paint the belly around Nemo blue so he can swim in the water.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Correct some spots with the body painting colors until you're satisfied with it.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Then add some shadows and highlights and blend everything well.
To be in the great outdoors.
At least set some small dots for the bubbles from Nemo and add a little bit pink, blue and purple to imitate a reflection.
meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to check out my other social media. Link is in the description below, and give a thumb up. Have fun while washing your body painting off, and goodbye, your Alykon.